So these are the homework solutions for day 6, sections 3.2 and 3.3, the bolded problems. And I'll start with 3.2, number 7. We're switching from a mixed number, which is a whole number and a fraction, to an improper fraction. And to do that, first I'm going to multiply this times this. So 3 times 15 is 45, plus 2 would be 47, and I bring the denominator along over here. So 3 times 5, 45, plus 2 is 47 over 3. Here I'm doing the inverse operation. I am taking an improper fraction and turning it into a mixed number. So first I'm going to ask myself, how many times can I fit 4 into 19? And 4 goes into 19 4 times, because 4 times 9 is 16, and 16 from 19 equals 3. So my answer is 4 3/4. Now look at number 3, section 3.3, problem number 1. I'm multiplying mixed numbers. I know it's tempting to handle the whole numbers and the fractions separately, but I suggest that you turn the mixed numbers into improper fractions. So 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17 over 5, times 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3 over 2. Again, 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 gives me 17, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 gives me 3. Now I'm just going to do my normal multiplying fractions. I'm going to multiply straight across. 17 times 3 is 51. 5 times 2 is 10. Since I started with mixed numbers, I need to end with mixed numbers. So 10 goes into 51 5 times with 1/10 left over. Here we are dividing mixed numbers, and again I'm going to convert to improper. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16 over 5. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Now I'm going to replace this with the reciprocal and change it to a multiplication problem. So this stays the same. This changes to a multiplication, and this turns into its reciprocal, or it flips upside down. Now again I'm going to just multiply across. 16 times 2 equals 32. 5 times 9 equals 45. This is not an improper fraction. It's a normal fraction, and I cannot reduce it. Finally, we're going to work on number 27, which involves a parentheses. So remember, with PEMDAS, I have to take care of what's in the parentheses first. So this is the same as 8 over 1 divided by 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5, divided by 2. I'll take care of all this in a minute. So here I need to swap this for the reciprocal. This stays the same. This turns to multiplication, and this flips. So it's 4/5 instead of 5/4. And again, we're going to divide by 2 in a minute. So now I'm going to cancel, I'm going to multiply. 8 times 4 is 32 over 5, divided by 2 over 1, which is the fraction way to write a whole number, over 1. And again, I'm going to flip this one. This stays the same, 32 over 5 times 1 over 2. And here I can make my life a little bit easier by doing some canceling. This is divisible by 2, so I'm going to divide it by 2 and take out 16. This is divisible by 2 and it leaves 1. So now I can multiply across and I'll have 16 over 5. Again, I started out with mixed numbers, so I need to end up that way. 5 goes into 16 3 times with 1/5 left over. And that is all there was to it for day 6.